How we clean the grills at McDonald's. Scrape gunk off. Water. Oop, that cleans the grill. Scrub, 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 scrub. More water. Damn, that's already looking clean AF.
Alright, look, so after we clean the grill, I'll be like pushing all the water into these things right here. And these, you gotta empty these out after you clean it, but these things catch all the water, so I'm about to show that right now. Pull these out. They're full of water and grease. Woo! That's all the water right there that didn't evaporate. You gotta wash it out with the water. So, and then once you wash it, right back in there. And we got the other side too. Shitty, look at all that water. Hey, if you say so. Hey, yo, that's bussin'. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Alright, if you say so. Alright.
Still have to use the goop and still have to scrub, 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 scrub.
Chee, got the ice this time.
It's so black. Grill is clean as a mofo,
Hey,
but we
now we
gotta
get
do
these
the
though.
traps now.
Not excited.
Blah.